In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Gumroad. If you're looking to share your skills and expertise with the world, Gumroad offers a simple platform to launch your online course seamlessly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process, ensuring every aspect is clear and manageable for you. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Gumroad website by typing gumroad.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once the Gumroad homepage loads, you'll notice a login option at the top right corner. Click on it and this will direct you to the login page where you can use your Google account to sign in. Click on the Google icon and remember to select the appropriate account that you want to use for your course creation. Once you're signed in, find the Products tab on your dashboard. Clicking on Products leads you to a new area where you manage all your digital goods. Look for the New Product button and select it. This action opens up a new window, prompting you to choose the type of product you want to create. In this case, you'll click on Course or Tutorial, which is perfectly tailored for instructional content. Next, you'll need to give your course a catchy and intriguing name. Consider what will capture your audience's interest and accurately reflect the content you're going to provide. Once you've settled on a name, move on to selecting the currency. Choose the currency most relevant to your target audience and then determine the price of your course. Be mindful of setting a price that balances your course's value and accessibility for potential buyers. After setting the price, click on Next, Customize. Here, you'll be able to add a detailed description of your course, providing potential buyers with insights into what they'll get from your course and why they should enroll. A concise and informative description acts as a hook, so make sure it includes key takeaways and any prerequisites. Now it's time to add some visuals. Click on Upload Images or Videos to add a cover for your course, and don't forget to upload a thumbnail that uniquely represents your content. The visual aspect is crucial as it often provides the first impression to potential customers. Once the visuals are ready, consider entering a summary that highlights your course's strengths and objectives. Then clicking on Add Detail allows you to input any additional information that might be useful to your buyers. Don't overlook this section as details can often clinch the sale. Lastly, click on Save and Continue. This takes you to the content entry page where you can import or type in the course materials you've prepared. Once all the content is in place and you're satisfied with how everything looks, all that's left is to click on Publish and Continue. And there you have it, your course is now live on Gumroad. For those sharing expertise or unique insights, Gumroad can act as a robust platform to reach a wider audience. Following these steps carefully will set you up for success in your course selling journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.